Welcome back to Stock Doc Trades. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. If you guys want the best stock to trade every single morning, hit the newsletter down below. You get all the best stocks, all the professional traders that are trading them. Anyways, we're covering Bitcoin, and I still think we have potential to continue to push up. I mean, I still have hope. We still are above and respecting the Fibonacci level. So we're going to really see what's going to happen here. If we go ahead and zoom in, it looks like if you zoom in on this longer time frame, it looks like we are going to continue pushing down. So let's continue. Let's continue. So anyways, in the week, we really didn't. We had an indecision candle and another indecision candle. We probably don't know what's going to happen here. Anyways, it could just be like a head and shoulders pattern or a bear flag. We do have 50%. We're right on the 50% level. So these next 2 weeks are going to be very, very, very crucial for Bitcoin. I've been saying that for a couple of weeks, but again, you gotta just respect the technicals and respect. So anyways, we are building up on this trend line, and we just don't know what's going to happen. So I do actually want us to continue to push up and just kind of break through this 21 EMA. So I'm going to go and take a peek at a daily chart here. So the daily chart looks a little bit more just not as, see, it closed up here, but then it opened down here. So I don't like looking at the daily chart. And if we even look at Bitcoin on the hourly chart, look how choppy it is. We don't like that. We do not like that. So again, oh man, I don't want to do that. So we are building up on the trend line. So it might be building up to break down. We have another trend line right there. So this is just a pennant symmetrical triangle, however you want to call it. But before there's an actual decision decided, we want to actually break through and pull back and come retest it either direction before we continue to push back, because this could bring out this, or the whales actually, what I think very well could happen. So it'll break out, the whales will push it higher, everyone's going to go long, then the whales and everyone's going to sell it, dump it, it's going to pop down below to this support level, and then that's when the whales are going to buy in and possibly push it higher. So I would have limit orders at around 30,000. I would have limit orders at around 21,000 and at around 13,000. I'm not saying it's going to hit those levels. I'm saying that it's smart to have limit orders in. So I'm going to go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements to see if we actually could be in an uptrend. So ideally, I want to break this $48,000 level for us to be considered in an uptrend. So either we're going to break that or break this $30,000 level. So we really have to see what's going to happen. This is just a big zone. We don't really know what's going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that out for us. We have no idea. It needs to find a direction, and ideally I want it to break out either up or come down. Doesn't really matter for me because I'm a long-term investor, so I'm going to either buy the dip or just keep buying as it goes up, so it doesn't matter. The technicals are looking, I don't want to say too much. Again, even on the 4-hour chart, it's super choppy. It doesn't know what it's doing, really. So I would just wait before you actually pick a direction where you think it's going to go. If you're a long-term investor, just buy. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Again, this is just a big ABC pattern. Go ahead. Even on the 50% level, we need to break it. But again, we are still above the long-term Fibonacci level. So I do like that, and that we are somewhat respecting it. And if it does respect it and break this all-time high, I do have a price target of around $97,000. So, and I think that's it for really Bitcoin.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. We are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I'm giving away $100, so if you want to be entered in that, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Love y'all. Peace.